Why is it important to have a commitment to business improvement or continuous improvement? The only constant on this big, beautiful earth is change. If we are passionate and embracing of change or not, it is still happening. In fact, it's happening right now. The more adaptable and flexible you are to that change, the better you can ride out storms and find ways to meet your customers' needs. In this course, we teach you the tools that big businesses have been using for decades upon decades. They've literally saved billions, if not trillions of dollars. While these tools and concepts may have developed from Toyota, Ford, GE, and Motorola, business improvement and continuous improvement tools are now a way we are all working. When the U.S. Army adopted these tools, they saved $19 billion in the first 5 years. Other leaders are Amazon, FedEx, 3M, Caterpillar, John Deere, Starwood Hotels, Unilever, Tesla, and Boeing. Sure, big business is benefiting, but does that mean you can? Even if you don't realize it, you already are. I guarantee you have used these tools in your work. You don't have to learn Japanese or really complex concepts. Many of them are already common sense. When you've implemented them effectively, you can outpace your competition, lower your production costs, increase the quality of the products and services you offer, simplify operations, and improve the reliability of your equipment and systems. You can take your organization to world class. In fact, these are the same concepts in the ever popular book 4 Hour Workweek. He applies these to his work to ensure that he focuses only on activities that are adding value. Big corporations and private equity firms use consultants executing using these tools to lean operations, which sometimes means a cut in headcount as well. They tend to get a bad name for 2 reasons. First, they can be used to lay people off. That's never a happy situation. Second, consultants can apply them in a way that's rapid, which really disrupts the culture and has a lack of respect for the subject matter expertise of the workers. Now, if you want to learn those methods, you'll have to learn from my competitors, because I don't teach that way. I teach business improvement tools that make your work easier, simpler, faster, cheaper, but always with respect for people. Business improvement goes beyond concepts. It is a culture shift. In fact, the translation of lean, which is just one business improvement methodology, that translation in Chinese is for the benefit of all people. We are building a culture of improvement in your organization, which means everyone succeeds. It also means it's not a magic wand. Tomorrow, your business is not going to suddenly run perfect. It takes time to improve your business in a way that is sustainable, but the rewards are vast. Culture is the shared behaviors and beliefs of your business. If you create a robust culture, you can influence your employees' behaviors without being present. You give them the tools to make decisions that reflect the values of your business without having to be a part of each and every small choice. By taking that step-by-step approach that incorporates our respect for people, we help our workers grow their skills. We help ourselves learn more about leadership over management. And we show our customers we care about giving them products and services that are high quality. As a business owner, you must continuously improve to achieve and sustain a world-class business that lets you sleep at night and keeps your customers happy.